One of the features, which is very useful on Windows operating system, Hibernate, as the name suggests. With this Hibernate feature, we can do hibernating on a computer. When you are a person who often works using a computer and want to rest a little bit, then this feature can be used. You don't have to turn off the computer. By closing all documents or program your job. Broadly speaking, Hibernate is a combination of functions: shut down then sleep. With Hibernate feature, you can turn off the computer without having to close the entire program, so that when we want to activate our computer's back files and programs our previous work, we can continue without having to repeat it back from the beginning. This step is the step to activate Hibernate in Windows operating system. How to just click Start. Right-click Yes or Can. Just click like this. You can also select this setting. Or you can use right-click like this. Then select Setting. It is same. OK, after that select this system. Next, we can select Powers and Sleep. Next, we can select Additional Power Setting. Well, next, we can select Choose what the power button do. This one, yeah. Well, next, we can select Change setting that are currently unavailable. OK, already showed up like that. Then well, we can add the Hibernate feature. There are Shutdown menu setting. Put a check mark on the Hibernate option. We put a tick on Hibernate option. Well, like that. Next, we can save changes. You can use the Hibernate feature in a way. Click the Start menu. Will appear there. Hibernate should have appeared, yeah. We select Start, then select Power. Well, here is the option of Hibernate. Already made it, yeah. So here's how to activate. Features Hibernate in Windows operating system. We've made it. Activate. Features of Hibernate. Now how to? Disable Hibernate feature in Windows operating system. This is pretty easy way. Could be pressing simultaneously. Windows plus X, yeah. Like this, then select there. Power option, yeah. Well, this is it. Well, it came up like this, then select Power and Sleep, this one. Next, can be selected. Next in this section, this sleep, this must never, yeah, this never too. Next, we select Power Setting Edition. Like that, then there is. Select Change Plan Setting. OK, next, one can be chosen. In the section, Change Advanced Power Setting. Well, like that. Next, on the window, Power option can be selected. The option is never. Yes, the option being never. In the section, this sleep. It's been appeared, yeah. Automatically becomes sleep after it becomes battery never. The plugin also never means it's been successfully hibernated. After is also never. Well, we click OK. Disable Hibernate. It worked, yeah. That's how. Activate the feature. Hibernate in Windows operating system and disable. Features Hibernate in Windows operating system. Hopefully tutorial. This is useful. Thank you.